Here we've got Nokia 6310 from 2021, and let me show you how to change date and time on this phone. So at the very beginning you need to open menu, so just tap on home button, then slide up or down, it actually doesn't matter, and locate settings. So here they are, click on select. Now go to time settings, also select it, and now you can change the clock. So you can set the time, you can pick whichever you only want to apply. Click on OK then. As you can see, time is set. Then you can change also the time format, so it can be 24-hour format clock or 12-hour format clock, it's up to you. And let me go back. Now you can change the date exactly the same way, so just tap on date settings, and here you can choose the date that you would like to apply. So let's go back in time to 2000 and for example 5. It can be easily done. And tap on OK to apply the change. And this is it. As you can see, date is set. Then you can also display of date and time. You can show clock or hide clock on your display, like on your home screen. I will stay with it active because it's super useful. And this is it. So as you can see here, you've got date and time displayed and your home screen, and it is changed to this brand new that we picked. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.